Alright guys, before we get into today's video, quick plug. S14 Kooky is live on the site. It's about 75% full. Head over to shopdjnoway.com, buy yourself a digital download for your chance to be entered. Here, let me show you the interior real quick, come on. It's 10 out of 10 here, people. 10 out of 10. SR20, DE, inner, bone stock, no rust, wheels, new suspension. It could be yours. Don't sleep. Shop DJ No Way. Get entered. What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. So today is an exciting one because we have all of the suspension components for the 997. If you've been following the channel, we swapped a goddamn blueprint 427 and she fires up and idles. So now it's time to do the suspension stuff. We went to Tommy's the other day. We got a shifter, stock shifter out of a GT3. That's good stuff. We did work on the power steering a little bit in the last one. A little silly mistake. We had the high pressure line and the low pressure line swapped, and it was pretty sketchy. The steering wheel was shaking violently. We lost all the fluid, but none got in the car. So over here we got our brakes, struts, hubs, bearings, tie rod ends, all that good stuff. So yeah, today it'll be sick. Complete the suspension, do the power steering, and get it on the ground. People, listen, we are getting close to driving this thing. It's gonna be huge. I can't wait. Can't wait to drive it on the road. I can't wait to see what it does on the dyno. And then we can get into the aero and the wheels and all that good stuff. Color change on it, I don't know yet, but that would be sick. The color, it would be a hard one to pick. I want it to be loud. I want it to be bright. I want it to pop. I want it to be ignorant. So with that being said, let's get into the video. And went to FCP this morning, got some new tie rod ends because the old ones are fucked. It's like an old N64 controller. If you know, you know. So we didn't go with OEM because they were like $200 a piece. It's all the same stuff, people. Weren't they like 40 bucks? Alright, so we tried pressing this hub into this knuckle, but we cannot because this is a 996 hub. So this is the things that you run into, and then Ant also assumes, well, knows that this is, the sway bar was switched from a 996 into this, which is not correct because the sweep of the end of this sway bar, without this, we can't put anything on. We can't bleed the brakes, we can't bleed the clutch. So I really don't want to, but I can't really do anything else, and I kind of want to make this thing a roller. So let's go blast up to Tommy's and try to find the right parts. Phoned at Garage S0 late night. Where else are you going right now to get 997 hubs? It's currently 8 o'clock, and we have the whole place to ourselves. Whew. Where are the lights in here? What do we got? Now we need to find a sway bar, because the sway bar on the car, like I said, is for a 996. Flashlight, please. Okay. Alright, we're gonna find this shit. Check in with you guys. And oh, right there. Right here. Maybe. Right there. On 2 time. This is the hub we need. And that's the fucking sway bar we need. Whoever switched them, I mean, it is what it is. But it's just figuring it out, this stuff, and the obstacles, it takes time. We've been driving around the state today, FCP, upstate Connecticut, but we gotta make it happen. We literally can't do anything else until we have this hub on. If we don't have the hub, we can't put the brakes on, we can't put the strut in, we can't bleed the clutch because the clutch and the brake master share the same fluid, same reservoir. It's just a debacle. So shout out to Tommy. We broke into his shop late night. He doesn't know that we're here right now, but what he doesn't know won't hurt him. Well, I'll make it up to him with something, I don't know. It's so peaceful with him not here though. Surrounded by all this cool shit. Fun fact, I drove this car in California for Ours Day, and it was an experience to say the least. That thing has like 7,000 original miles. It's unbelievable. It's a time capsule. 34 GTR. Endless brakes, TEs, basically bone stock, and it has all mines. Mirrors, wing, a bunch of crazy little bits on it. It's his buddy's Andrew's car, business partner. I'm very grateful to have Tommy for this, for times like this. Go give Tommy a follow if you guys want. Garage S0, Tommy F, yeah. Go check it out. He builds a lot of cool shit. The 14 needs that, people. Come on. Machine shop coming soon, and the 14 will be here very soon. All right, we just got back from Tommy's. Sway bar acquired, and now we have to literally drop the whole front subframe, take the old sway bar out, and put the correct one in. It's fun stuff. It's fun stuff, people. We'll skip to the good part. The sway bar is out. New sway bar is in. Had to drop the whole subframe. Sal is here. Everyone say hi to Sal. Yes, sir. Dag now is working on getting the race off of the hub right here. I thought I had a 3-jaw puller. I did.
I think the 2's better
than the 3, but the 3 is like handy to have because I know I had it.
Nah, you don't have it.
I did.
Not anymore. Man.
The race is poor to come off. Richie, anything to say to the people?
I don't know.
Nothing?
Nothing tonight.
How is everything going thus far? Are we doing a good job?
I think so. Looks
Yeah.
good to me.
Is it coming?
We have a lift off. Oh my god. I feel like cutting it just sucks.
It does suck. You always nick the hub. Fucking good dag now.
Here's the back.
You're good. No nick. So now we gotta get the sway bar situated. The subframe has to go back in. And we kind of fucked up these studs right there. I did with the impact gun. I took account for it. So this is like a stud, very weird design with a nut on the bottom. And I thought it would be a good idea to impact it. And now they're super stuck and tight. But that's a future issue, people. I mean, we can kind of hook up everything and then not try to forget about that. Are we rolling? We're rolling. All right, so we got the sway bar on, the knuckles, hub pressed in, as you can see right there. The brakes aren't on yet. We're gonna start it. See if we could at least bleed the power steering. I think we're good in it. Put the cap on so it doesn't bubble. That's concerning. It's weird because it like ramps up and then it sounds like it's gonna like fucking explode. It kind of simmers down. Which is, it's like bubbling.
Hey yo.
Yeah, let me put fluid in it because it's like I think it's through the lines now. We're gonna put some fluid in it. We'll be right back. All right, so we got the brakes on, the correct hubs, the knuckles, and then tomorrow we can hopefully bleed the clutch, put the shifter in. At least we got this all situated. Correct hub, change the sway bar, as you guys saw. Shout out to Tommy for letting us grab that stuff, put the wheels on it, make sure everything's tight, and then hopefully drive this thing soon, because we're getting close. We have it all hooked up and plumbed, blah, blah, blah. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, we're back the next day. The power steering is leaking from the top of the rack, which is super annoying. I don't know why. I don't think it did that before. We'll see. All right, time to bleed these brakes. Hopefully it doesn't leak like the power steering does. OEM Porsche dot 4. You guys are probably gonna say this isn't the right stuff either, but it is. Time to pump. Not fun. Not exciting stuff. So happy Labor Day. We're stuck inside this thing. I wish we could be driving it, but we're at least trying to get brakes.
Stop complaining, baby.
Make it a roller. I just want to drive it on this beautiful day. It's an American holiday. And we're stuck inside, bleeding the brakes in it. Poor me. Bleeding the brakes in my Porsche. Poor me. I'm not complaining, baby. I just want to drive it. So we gotta put the shifter in still. But first, we gotta check off the main systems of the vehicle. You know what I mean?
Me? Yeah.
We got brakes. There's no brake fluid in the system. So this is gonna take a little bit of time. So fast forward to the brakes, hopefully feeling hard as a rock.
Position.
Is it closed? You gotta let me know. It's the gym.
Full body workout.
Holding.
To the other side.
What?
Going to the other side.
I had to switch out my leg for another leg. Feels like mine's gonna fall off. See, you'll feel the burn. You won't have to go to the gym.
It already hurts.
No way. That pedal is tight. It is a rock. They decided to put 8 bleeders. Okay, you gotta hold it. Decided to put 8 bleeders throughout the whole car. It's crazy. Holding. So the brakes are done, and now we are moving over to the clutch pedal. It's very hot. Pedal won't come back, and it's not the easiest pedal to press in.
Out of our water supply.
Yes, and we're all the way up on the lift.
You got any snacks in here?
No, just me.
Jump
Pump my
right out.
life or what? I don't even need to go to the gym.
Closed today.
Yeah, Memorial Day weekend. Labor Day, I get them confused. I don't know.
Labor Day. Here we are doing labor. You look good in this lighting.
It's good. I'm glowing. Brakes are bled. Clutch is bled. It's literally the craziest clutch I've felt. You could literally just press it like that and it's engaged. Ant got some brake fluid in his hair and probably everywhere else, but we got brakes and we got a clutch. That's huge. Now I think we can put the wheels on it and we can put the car on the ground and maybe roll it outside just to see it outside. You could see. I'll pop up some pictures of yesterday. We went fishing and we killed it, to say the least. We're good. We went with a professional.
I had him. Damn. Got him? Oh, shit.
Not yet.
Oh, I see that right.
He does it for a living. He knows the spots, and we went to a spot every cast almost, reeling one in. Not every cast, but we caught like over 10 fish. That's a good day. I haven't caught fish in like 7 years.
That's a fat fish. Sure, it's not a wallaby. Damn, man, you gotta hold that. Yo, honestly, you wanna be honest? That's a hybrid.
What?
It's a hybrid.
You don't know?
It's a hybrid.
What the fuck is
It's a mean mouth. It means half largemouth, half.
Really?
Honestly, the mouth, I only caught one. Really? The mouth is a lot.
I was restoring some reels over here. He's got a little side hustle. These are all good reels here. This is a master caster. What did Cordy say it was? It's like a 5-speed car, kinda. Like a manual driven car. And Cordy, you guys will meet him soon enough. I know you guys are gonna love him. Good dude. Good dude. This is my daily right here. Old. Oh shit.
Your daily.
Twist it up.
Easy.
Stick. Show him the pole. Look at that. This is a 7-piece pole. It literally folds up to be like this small. There's a little bag and stuff. But it got really tangled, so I don't really do that anymore. Check it out.
There you go.
Look how good that casts. We're gonna go down by the river, I think. We were there today, me and Michaela in the hammock. We seen some fucking hogs swimming down the river.
No.
Crazy colored fish.
A duck.
And a duck, yeah.
Was there a tiger trout in there?
No, wallabies.
We saw a wallaby.
Fishing's our thing now. If you guys give us any tips and tricks. Actually, we don't need your guys' opinion. Because Cordiano is the best. Alright, now that we got the fluids all in her, the coolant still isn't bled, but we can at least put the wheels on it. We'll throw the shifter in it, and essentially it could roll and kind of maybe come off the lift. Maybe not tonight, but it could. It would be ready to roll. Rolling chassis with brakes. Throw the wheels on, throw the shifter in quick. Because Dagnell's still rebuilding this pole over. Why are you running away?
Fucking big.
Kill it. Oh, my breezy. While Dagnell's building that reel, we're gonna just throw the wheels on and put the shifter on it. Thank you for helping me bleed the brakes, baby. You did great. I could see how swole your legs are from here. Little pump.
Leg day.
Needs a wash. I wish I knew someone that was good at washing cars. I really do.
Pull her out.
Darren ain't around no more. Darren, boy, that folk don't come around here no more. What? You need the socket? Got these ugly ass wheels back on her. Now it's a rolling car again. So now we're gonna put the shifter in, and it's pretty simple. Look how cheap this thing is. So it feels like a Fisher Price toy. So connect the cables down there, and let's just fast forward to it being. Oh shit! I dropped a nut in the car. See, Travis Performance provides the cables, and then we gotta just attach them. It's similar to like a Honda cables. It's like the same thing. So let's throw this bitch in. Just like that. Got a shifter. We do have to hook up the bottom cables to the trans, but this is how that goes. See that? Alright guys, well we're probably not going to take the car off of the lift yet because we still have to do stuff that doesn't have trans fluid in it. We still have to bleed the coolant, and the shifter cables aren't done. So at least we got the suspension pretty dialed in the front, and wheels are back on it. So now all we have to do is those few things in order for it to technically drive. Sorry, I thought I was gonna like maybe bring it outside in this one, like clean it, wash it, throw the interior in it a little bit, just button it up where it could be because there's still a lot to be done. So we'll save that for the next one. I just don't want to take it off the lift yet, because then it's just gonna have to go back on there. It doesn't make sense to. So let me know what you guys think, and I promise in the next one I will try my hardest to do a victory lap in it. Check out the giveaway, the 14 on the website. I'll put the link in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.